I've taken these two screws out. One was here and one was here. And this comes up like that. And then you unplug the lid switch and pop these clips. Just like that. Tip it forward. Come on. To it now. You don't never know what's going on with one unless you listen at it. See what it's doing. Wow. That is turning. Wow, but the clutch is not. Whoa. Houston, we have a problem. Come on out, boy. Got it out. It'll lock itself in. You just want to make sure you don't bind it up against that. So I'm gonna put that right about there, like that. I got the spring on top and the brake cam actuator lever on the bottom. These are getting that. I'll just put that bolt there. Lock them to that right on. And it ain't rocket science. Stand R2D2 back up. Now all we got to do is put the motor and pump back, hook her all up, and take her for a spinner rooski. Well, now isn't that special? Looks like it might be that skate plate. Might be a hair off, reason why it's doing all that bouncing. I'll check it in a second. Alright, once you get this case back in place, make sure that this tubing going over here to the water level switch isn't being pinched. Make sure you plug your lid switch back in. And then these clips just pop in place like that. Just like that. It's a simple washer machine, but it's mysterious because who thinks, well, take the case off of it? My goodness, that's terrible. Here we go. Woohoo! Alright, now that came off pretty damn friggin' easy. Well, in this transmission, and this here gear is tore slap up, and look at it, see?